Did you know that honey is the only food made by an insect that humans eat? It's true. This golden nectar has been cherished for centuries, not just for its sweetness, but also for its medicinal properties. And let me tell you, the process of getting this liquid gold from the hive to your table is a fascinating journey. It involves a delicate balance of nature and human effort. Honey starts with bees, those incredible little creatures that pollinate our crops and give us this sweet treat. Without bees, many of the foods we love would simply not exist. They collect nectar from flowers and store it in their honeycombs. This nectar is then transformed into honey through a process of regurgitation and evaporation. Now you might think beekeeping is all sunshine and buzzing, but it's hard work. Beekeepers wear protective gear to avoid stings, carefully tend to their hives, ensuring the bees are healthy and productive, and harvest the honeycombs with respect for the bees. This requires patience and a gentle touch. It's a sticky, messy job, but someone's got to do it. The reward is pure, natural honey, a sweet surprise from nature that we can all enjoy. Once the honeycombs are full, beekeepers carefully remove them from the hives. This is a delicate process that requires patience and precision to ensure the honeycombs remain intact. They use a special tool called a smoker to calm the bees and prevent them from getting agitated during the process. The smoke masks the bees' alarm pheromones, making them more docile and easier to handle. With the honeycombs safely collected, the beekeepers extract the honey. This involves uncapping the wax seals on the honeycomb cells to release the honey. They use a special machine called an extractor, which spins the honeycombs rapidly, using centrifugal force to separate the honey. This method ensures that the honey is efficiently and thoroughly extracted from the combs. The extracted honey is then passed through a series of filters to remove any beeswax or other impurities. This step is crucial to ensure the honey is clean and ready for consumption. This ensures that the final product is pure and delicious honey. The filtering process highlights the natural clarity and quality of the honey. It's amazing to see the transformation from honeycomb to liquid gold right before your eyes. The journey from hive to jar is a testament to the hard work and dedication of beekeepers. Now, the journey of honey doesn't end at the bee farm. The extracted honey is carefully poured into large drums, sealed tight, and loaded onto trucks. These trucks then hit the road, transporting the precious cargo to factories where it undergoes further processing and packaging. The transportation process is crucial, as it ensures that the honey remains uncontaminated and maintains its quality during its journey. It's like a liquid gold rush, with trucks carrying this sweet treasure across the country. Section 4. Factory Magic. Transforming honey into golden goodness. Once the honey arrives at the factory, the real magic begins. The drums are unloaded and the honey is poured into large tanks. Here, the honey is gently heated and filtered again to remove any remaining impurities. This process also helps to standardize the honey's texture and color, ensuring consistency in every batch. Some factories also use specialized equipment to remove air bubbles from the honey, giving it that crystal-clear appearance we all love. It's amazing to see how technology and human ingenuity work together to transform raw honey into a shelf-stable product. Section 5. Quality Control. Ensuring honey perfection. Before the honey is bottled, it undergoes rigorous quality control checks. Technicians test the honey's moisture content, sugar levels, and clarity to ensure it meets the highest standards. They also check for any signs of fermentation or crystallization, ensuring that the honey is of the finest quality. Only the honey that passes these stringent tests is deemed fit for packaging and consumption. It's this dedication to quality that ensures every drop of honey you taste is pure, delicious, and safe. Section 6. Bottled goodness from factory to your table. This is where the magic happens, transforming raw honey into a product ready for your enjoyment. Finally, the honey is ready for its grand finale packaging. The process is meticulous, ensuring that every drop of honey is preserved in its purest form. The golden liquid is carefully poured into jars or bottles of various sizes, ready to be shipped to stores near you. Each jar is filled with precision to maintain quality and consistency. These jars are then labeled with all the necessary information, including the source of the honey, nutritional facts, and expiry date. The labels ensure transparency and trust, so you know exactly what you're getting. And just like that, the journey of honey from hive to your table is complete.